We are pleased to show you the 2012 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.